There are rare cars, and then there is this. The 1990 Lamborghini Countach 25th anniversary, chassis KLA1-958, the only one in the world, finished in factory Arancio Miura. This vibrant shade is pure Lamborghini attitude, bold and unapologetic. Every angle is a statement, from the deep body-colored side skirts to the dramatic NACA side ducts and muscular rear arches. The Countach at its most refined, and yet its most flamboyant. Inside, the contrast is striking. Light caramel leather wraps the cabin with sculpted seats, flawless panels, a crisp right-hand 3-spoke steering wheel, clear gauges, and a pristine center console. Every detail whispers of careful preservation. Behind you lies the beating heart, a 5.2-liter Downdraft V12, with carburettors perched above. It produces the full 455 horsepower, breathing and roaring the way a Countach should. Raw, unfiltered, unforgettable, unique in color, immaculate in condition, and pure in performance, this one-of-one Arancio Miura Countach 25th anniversary is not just a car. It is Lamborghini history in motion. Thank you for joining us on this exhilarating exploration. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay tuned for exciting journeys. Until next time, keep driving, keep dreaming, and keep exploring the boundless horizons of automotive design.